1969 Chevrolet Impala 427 Supersport, a forgotten muscle legend. Welcome to the Road Rival, where we dive deep into automotive legends. Today we're exploring the 1969 Chevrolet Impala 427 Supersport, an underappreciated powerhouse from the muscle car era. A bold and rare supersport. In 1969, Chevrolet was in the heat of the muscle car wars, and while models like the Camaro and Chevrolet SS stole the spotlight, the Impala 427 Supersport was quietly making a statement. As one of the last true Impala SS models before the badge was downgraded to an appearance package, the '69 Impala SS was more than just a full-size cruiser. It was a brute in disguise. The heart of the beast under the hood, the 427 cubic inch V8 roared to life, producing up to 425 horsepower, depending on the configuration. Available with either the L36, 390 horsepower, or the L72, 425 horsepower, this big block Impala was no slouch. Mated to either a 4-speed manual or a turbo hydromatic automatic, it could rocket down the quarter mile in respectable times, proving that size didn't mean sacrificing speed. Classic styling with muscle intentions. The 1969 Impala SS featured a sleek yet aggressive design with hidden headlights, a wide stance, and optional rally wheels. Unlike its smaller muscle car siblings, the Impala offered a more refined ride, making it a perfect blend of performance and comfort. Inside, the bucket seats, console shifter, and SS badging reminded drivers that this was no ordinary full-size Chevy. The end of an era. Despite its power and presence, the 427 SS Impala was rare, with production numbers in the low thousands. By 1970, Chevrolet had shifted focus, and the Impala SS nameplate faded into history, marking the end of an era for big block, full-size muscle cars. Today, the '69 Impala 427 SS remains a sought-after gem among collectors, a reminder of when brute force and luxury could coexist in a single package. Stay tuned to the Road Rival for more deep dives into automotive history.